for the Game Time Basketball Season 1. And ito na po yung mga players natin representing Barangay Santa Filomena. We have K-Science here, Granville. We have Abadias, Almorado, Apag, Bartolo, Carbonilla, Dugisunan, Dangin, Hitutuane. We have Lumbab, Nakila, Pakulba, Resma H, Resma M, Tan Villanueva, and our head coach, Mr. Melvin, Coach Melvin Maceda.
And of course, MSU IIT Cats representing Barangay Team Tabanga, we have Absin, Acacio, De La Vega, Grate, Lazaga, Limpag, Monte Calvo, Nibungko, Unden, Odeniza, Paring, Polea, Radok, Ramil, Samson, and your head coach, Jong Caraco. And of course, we have Grate, we have Ramil, we have Paring, and Limpag.
And center, Grate. And for our K-Sign, we have guard, Abadias. Another guard, playing guard, we have Dan. Forward, Pakulba. Another forward, we have Hita Tuane. And our playing center, we have Nakila for team K-Sign, Granville. And now let's begin our tip-off for our second game, the King Belmonte starting lineups. Now we are all set and we are ready. And let's play the ball game. It's game time! Tip-off tayo.
Uy! Uy!
As a
Yan!
team Cats.
Nala!
Limpag.
Limpag. To Grate.
Uy!
Uy! Nasty! Number 13 with an easy layup.
2 points. And now the K-Sign, Team K-Sign is on the board for 2 points. Oh, mabilis ang
Bang!
press
Pinalusan ng 3 points.
by Ratonil. Ratonil for 3 points. Uy,
Nakuha. Ramil nagmamadali sa gitna with a jumper. No good.
Ramil pala, sorry. Ramil. Ramil. Ganda.
Uy, ang ganda ng pasahan. Nakita sa ilalim with a nice reverse for 2 points.
4-3 in favor of K-Signs under 8 minutes and 55. Defense.
Number 12.
Short.
No good.
Bounce. Lakas lang. Natira. Villanueva. For 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Lakas lang. Another rebound. Okay. Easy deuce for number 12.
For Mr. Veterans. Actually, player na siya og trabungko sa una.
Ah, okay. All right.
Yes. Siguro gi-insure siya dito sa K-Shine because they need talents like that. Bang!
Ooh!
Limpa!
Bang, bang. 3
The
points.
small but terrible of IIT
Limpa.
Cats.
Okay, tie ball game po tayo in 6-all.
Uy, nice post play. Op, may nakita si referee. Holding foul.
14 shot clock reset for Team K-Sign, Granville. For 3. Bang! 3 points. Number 10. Uy, almost a steal. Nakuha na number 13. A layup. 2 points by number 13. And that is Abadies Kion. Limpag na naman. Posting up, setting up the game. Dribbling the ball. Mahanap ng pasa. Driving the basket. Paring. To side corner. 3.
Taas kayong bola.
No good. Another
Big
rebound for
rebound by
Limpag.
Limpag. Pero nakuha na number 19. Woy! What a nice jumper!
Basket counted for Pakulba.
Pakulba! Lagi. Limpag! Counted! Nakakuha.
Sa steal. Ordoniza.
Ordoniza, limpag na naman.
Pass.
Uy, ganda ng pasa to. Grate for 2 points. Wow.
13-10 ang talaan na
MSU
score.
Cats showing their eagerness to win.
No good. Oh, there's a whistle. There's a whistle. Oh, it's a loose ball. Limpag setting up the game, commanding the play.
Grate.
Limpag na naman. Uy, sidestep 3.
Pabira,
No
no
good.
good.
Malakas lang. Number 12, Easy News. Oh,
Apalis,
sa
kapalakan.
Long bound, but no good. Last touch, Team Cats.
Okay, insert na guys, insert na.
Nice.
Wow! Nakakita ng opening sa gitna.
Nice cut.
Si Pakulba for
Nice.
2 points.
Limpag na naman, dribbling the
Limpag.
ball.
Limpag with a pump fake. Piinasa. Nakuha sa malaking mama sa gitna. Limpag with a quick jumper. Counted!
And 2-point counted. And
Limpag.
and a basket counted yun. So in other words, tingnan natin kung makomplete yung 3-point play na to for a free throw. Substitution.
Papasok si Carbonilla. Out. Si Pakulba.
Oy, no good.
No good.
12-15 score in favor for K-Shine. Under 5 minutes and 37. Villanueva.
Nikila.
Uy, open for 3. No good.
Carbonillas. To Nikila. Nakila sa ilalim. Counted!
Walang cost.
Nakila using his
Walang
veteran's move for a 2-point play.
17-12 in favor
Limpag.
of K-Shine.
Limpag. Guarded by Nakila. Gets a foul. That's a dangerous foul.
Pakulba. Anikila. First personal foul.
Ordonisa. Back to Ordonisa for 3 points.
Bang!
Counted! Lista mo na yan.
Odalisa for 3
We are now down to 2
points.
points lead of Keishan Granville.
Di
Nakila.
kita ng laban.
Nakita si Villanueva.
Easy 2 for Villanueva. 19-15 ang talaan na score for 34 for the first quarter. Reserve timeout. Timeout, Team Cats. Uy, grabe ko eh. Hinahabol ang Team Cats ang ating Team K-Shine. But anyway, maganda pa rin pinapakita ng dalawang team. Napakaganda ng mga set play, defense na ginagawa ng ating Team Cats versus Team K-Shine. And that timeout is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wikwik Uy, Iligan. We can do it. Talagang we can do it. Yan, kayang gawin ng ating Team K-Shine.
Hitutuane.
Oh, yan.
Parang Japanese yan na apelido, no?
Yeah. Parang
Hitutuane.
na bloodline ng Hapones.
Hapon.
Shoutout sa ating 157 viewers ng mga ka-JBL natin.
Pumasok si number 3. Almorado. Uy. Mga familiar ng mga apelido.
Eto na.
Uy! Uy!
Oh!
Uy! Kicking the ball.
Turnover.
Nice defense by Polea.
Turnover for K-Shine yun. Sayang. Timeout, timeout. Okay, Jewelry ha. Jewelry, palihog, aritis,
Jewelry.
tangtanga.
Katong mga habak diha at dili na pwede. Na-create na siyang injuries guys, so safety first tayo.
Okay, ball in. Commanding the game.
Uy! Natapik pero na-foul si Al Moraldo. De La Vega, tumira, no good, big rebound by Hitatodui. Alborado, nakila lagi, tama ba?
Let's go! Mga pangalang ang atindog. Lisod ka ba ginon? Anyway, laban. Oh!
Uy!
Steal.
Hapit nakuha, nakita sa ilalim,
Fake. Oh!
palakan.
It's a block by number 27, Carbonilla. 9 seconds at clock for Team Cats. Oop, there you go. Looking for an open man. Number 10. Almost a steal. Okay, there's a violation, backcourt violation. Another turnover for K-Shine.
Let's go cut by Kirby John. Ipasok si Dagisunan.
Side 3. No good.
Uy,
Mabilis
Alborado,
ang dribble.
ang bilis ng dribbling skills. Nakita sa ilalim. Uy, grabe ka paspas ni Mata.
Using the board,
Bata
2
pa ba kani?
points.
Eto na. Polea.
Bang!
Counted!
Another board shot.
Gibalusan.
Ginamitan din ng board ko eh. So 23-17
Alvarado
talan.
na naman.
Another 2 minutes at 39. No good. Air ball. But
Airball.
there's a rebound by number 6. Acacio for 3. No good. 2 points. Pasok ang short jumper. 19-25, under 2 minutes for the first quarter.
Uy, uy, uy. Entanglement sa ilalim. Foul rep. Oh. Foul si number 27. Counted by Polea. Almorado.
Open
Nakita
from
si 23
sideline.
sa gilid. No good pa rin. Alaka.
Naiwanan ng depensa!
Naiwan ang depensa.
Woo! 2
Nakita sa ilalim
points!
si number 15. Na si
Galing.
Polea.
Posting up.
Polgado.
Looking for an open man.
Uy,
Uy,
miscommunication. Sa kanya pala yun.
Timeout, Quezon. Cosmetic Products.
Kuya Guy Pakulba.
And the timeout is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wikwek Uy. Iligan, we can do it. Ganda pinapakita ng ating Team Cats Koy. 23, nabomba na lang 1 ball possession na lang yan. 2 puntos na lang yung lamang ng ating Team K-Shine. Talagang napapatawag ng timeout ang ating K-Shine head coach Melvin Maceda to set another gameplay para lumamang sila this time. Okay, may request sa palihog ko. Nasa gate, palihog ko. Hawanan na to ng gate. Sulod ta, ha? Kanarkan patag mga lingkuranan diri sa tong bleachers. Okay, so eto, balik na ball game po tayo. So 25-23 in favor of K-Sign. Under 1 minute and 12 for the first quarter. Eto naman, De La Vega. Side corner, 2 points.
Jumper, oy, tabla na. Laka. Iapas na.
Tabla na tayo sa talaan ng puntos. 25 all na. Under less 1 minute.
Nakita.
Iniwanan. Uy, fade. Fake. Ooh, almost lost the ball. Naka-recover. It's a steal.
Nakuha, oy. Naningkamot for his
Easy
opportunity
layup.
to take the lead. Counted. Now the change of favor.
Nakuha na ng lamang.
38 seconds remaining.
27-25. Nakuha na ng lamang ang ating Team Cats.
15 to shoot.
No good. 30. 2-1.
27, Polea. Oy, hapit na
Oh,
palakan,
galing.
pero short. Counted.
29-25. 17.
15 seconds.
Talaga pinipilit, pero nakakuha ng foul.
10 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Grabe, nakalamang na yung MSU IT Cats. Ten seconds. 7 seconds. 6.8 seconds remaining for first quarter. Number 95 will proceed to the free throw line.
And now, second throw, get ready for the rebound.
No good. No good pa rin. Nakuha yung kanyang own rebound. Sa tres, tumira, counted! Ang ganang buzzer beater ni number 23.
All right, so that ends our first quarter, and this is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wikwek. Uy, Iligan, we can do it. So talaan na score, lamang lang ng 29. Isang puntos.
Lamang ang Kuya Shamil's Crown Knights.
Hindi pa napalitan yung ano natin.
Ayun. Sorry for the technicalities, mga kaibigan.
Team Cats lamang na 1 point ang MSU IIT Team Cats. Laban, okay, proud of MSU1 tayo guys. So, yan, laban Team Cats, pero lamang ang Team Cats sa 1 point, kaya pa yung habulin, maaga pa yung oras. Talagang dikita ng laban, dikdikan ang laban, Koy!
Both is gutom for that victory.
Yes.
Samot na ni Team Cats kay Pilde ko sa first game.
Naghahanap sila ng first win na tonight, so talagang di nila i-allow yan na mag-create ng turnover, kasi pag may turnover, create niya ng puntos sa kalaban.
Napaka-nitig na ng jersey ng no?
Pero nakanindot ani
K-Shine.
mga players sa GBL, mga Reliuso kayo no?
Yes.
Mga pang-Rus yun. Okay, anyway, back to the ball game. Uy, it's a steal. There we go.
Abadis. Di raw.
Yung time natin tumatakbo sa table pero yung technical natin hindi ginawa.
Okay. Hoy! Wala ka bantay. Hop! Nakakuha ng foul.
Referee, timeout.
Obscene,
Okay,
waiting to
reset
go
muna
inside
tayo for
game.
the time. So yung remaining time natin.
Oy.
Wait lang,
We
wait lang,
have
wait lang.
referees.
Every time out.
Timeout. Gumagana yung time sa live natin, pero yung signal doon sa ating scoreboard is hindi.
So that timeout is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wikwek Huy. Ligan, we can do it. So
Ayan.
guys, kung nauuhaw kayo guys, bili lang kayo ng team natin na purified drinking water bottled at the source. Quality at first. Okay? So ito talaan na score is 28-29 pa rin tayo. Lamang na ang team Cats natin ng 1 point. Kakasimula lang ating second quarter for the second game for this season tournament natin for the Game Time Basketball League. So inaasahan natin na talagang walang bigayan ng puntos. Talagang mahigpit na depensa ang ginagawa ng ating Team Cats. O live muna tayo.
Ito na. And bumalik na yung time natin sa
Alright.
scoreboard.
Remaining time, 9:32. Ano yan? Okay, and that's perfect. Yan po yung original oras natin. 28-29, under 9 minutes and 27 seconds. Bola ng ating King K Shine, our team home.
Nakila. Strong move. No good. To number 10. Counted. Big 3 yun.
3 points!
Change of favor na naman. Pinasa sa gilid. Nakita. Oy! No good from downtown. Rebound by Alvarado. To Abadis. Spin move. With a nice right hand. No good. Number 5, Polea. Counted. And one by Mr. Polea. Will proceed to the free throw line for his opportunity for a 3-point play.
Tie ball game tayo sa ginagawa ni Palea. Palea, tignan natin complete pa yung
3-point
play.
play.
Shout out sa mga guwapa sa MSU-IIT.
Ito na.
Oh, wow, ganda ng dribbling skills ng ating point guard. Oh, there's a foul.
Lazaga waiting to check in of this ball game. Ito na. Lumabas si De La Vega. Counted ang tira ni number 14. Oy, no good. Oy, pero na-rebound ni Alvarado. No good pa rin. Number 14.
Bam!
Counted.
2 points.
Number 10, way downtown.
Bang! Another 2
Counted.
points.
Ang layo nun.
Pangalawang long bomb yun ni Hitatuane, Michael.
Number 16, sa gitna. Counted na naman.
Grabe.
Balos-balos sila mga kaibigan.
Palitan sila ng puntos ko eh.
Palitan ng suntok.
Pero lamin pa rin ang isang puntos ng ating Team Cats.
Nakila. Natapik. Nakuha ni Alvarado. Pinasa sa ilalim ang kanilang pasa. Number 14. Counted.
Naiwanan ang depensa. Balik lamang ng ating K-Sign for 3.
Way downtown. No good. Big rebound by number 14. Nakila. Long pass. To number 10. Number 10 galing by number Polea. Nakita si Abades.
And there's a
Nakakuha
whistle.
ng foul. Ang ganda ng intensity ng laro natin, mga palitan. sa
Ito yung
GTL.
laro. Ayan, ito yung laro. Sabi nga ko, di ba?
Ito yung laro talaga. Yun! Open man sa ilalim si number 14.
Hindi nasabayan ng ating tatlong depensa for Team Cats.
Uy.
Abande, 39 ang puntos ng ating Team K-Shine. 36 naghahabol ang Team Cats. Samson,
Number 16. Big rebound by Nakila. The veterans to Abades, Almorado. Almorado, oy, na-steal number 18. Number 18 nakita si Polea to number 27.
Wow.
Counted. Oy, gibalusan.
Pigilan.
Uy, nisagit na ang mga cheerleaders sa IT pero nabalusan.
Ang bilis ng laro ko eh.
Polea. Polea. Uy! Uy, nabalaka ito na nakablock ko. Uy, nabalaka in town. Iyas ko itong uyab ah. Grabe, kita lang ang
Substitution.
cheerleaders. Uy, paring in. Unden out. Ardok in. Polea out. Ligyas yun ang dadapita. Number 10.
Itutuwan
No
eh.
good. Uy! Bang!
Ang ganda.
Bang!
Two
Grabe.
points.
Gahi kay lawas yung number 27, no? Ito na. Arduk. 27. Duha ka fake. 27 na naman. Gibang sa body. Allah, offensive foul. Ni Balos unta siya, oh. Coach.
43-38.
Coach of IIT disagree with the call of the referee. Pero what can we do? We have to respect the calls of the referee. Ito na.
Itutuwan na naman.
Way downtown na naman! Straight on top pero short lang. Uy! Wala! Pastilan. Is he okay? Huy! Nabalaka, sinaka-black o
Uy.
sinaka-pink.
Sino yung naka-pink na yun?
Huy, in town. Grate. Diri. Ala, suko ang mga uyab. Suko ang mga uyab. Number 27 na naman nakita sa
Ang
ilalim.
ganda!
Counted.
Ayun, nag-smile ako eh. Alright, number 13.
Abadis.
looking for pass.
Almorado, nakita si number 0. No good. Number 1. Hapit na steal. Number 55. To number 12. Grate
Grate.
with a big strong move sa kita. No good. Boy, nice behind the back pass. Almorado between the leg pass to number 14. No good. Nakuha ni number 18. Pero natapik ang bola. Same ball pa rin. 2. MCIT Cats. 43-40. About 3 points. Ang Keisha in Granville. Almorado, nakita si Abades. Counted. 5 points na ang lamang ng K-Shine. Mga ka-GBL.
Pero mahaba pang oras ko eh. For the second
Mahaba pang
quarter.
oras.
Uy,
Uy,
miscommunication
na-steal.
naman.
Miscommunication,
Another
Abades.
turnover.
Body shot.
Bam!
Counted.
2 points.
Too strong, too
Time
big,
out,
too
time out,
good.
Time out.
Op, tumawag ng timeout yung coach ng IIT guys for the 7-0 run of K-Shine Granville.
Yung tumawag si Coach Jong ng timeout. Mabilisan kasi
And
para
of course,
hindi
this
makrate
time
yung...
is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wek Uy.
Yan.
Iligan Wek can do it.
Yung tumawag si Coach ng timeout. Coach Jong tumawag ng timeout para makamuputol ang momentum na ginagawa ng ating team K-Shine, Koy.
And of course, this is the GBL Season 1. Brought to you by Mayor Freddy Xiao, Padayon, Ascenso, Iligano.
Thank you so much to our league bearer, our Honorable City Mayor, Frederick W. Xiao. Thank you so much, Mayor. And back to the ball game po tayo after the timeout ng Team Cats.
Let's see if they can cut down the lead. Hindi ko na nakita si ano. Ayun, pumasok na si Limpag. There you go. Number 14. No good. Nagmamadali. Pinasa kay number 1. Nag-iisa. Counted. Okay, lead is now cut to 5. Tignan natin kung makarespond ba yung Keishan Granville. Nakita. Si number 14, spin moves. No good pa rin. Uy! Scramble! Uy! Nakuha ni number 1. To number 55. Number 55, pinasa kay Limpag.
Ay!
Dito, to. Number 55, nakita si number 1 sa ilalim.
Bang!
Counted! Oh, my goodness. This is the adjustment brought to you by the coach of MBCIT Cats. Now the lead is now cut to 3.
Yes, talagang effective na ginawa na timeout.
Oy!
ni
Happy
Coach.
na steal by Limpag. Abades. Take advantage of his weight. No good. Yun! No good pa rin! Body's falling! Counted! Okay. Extra careful tayo mga kaibigan. Lawas na rin puhunan.
Take advantage. 4 or 5.
Limpag. Pinasa kay number 1. With the hot hands. No good. Oy, oy. Dito lang dito. Abades. Abades. Nakita sa ilalim, natapik, number 25, nag-iisa. Limpag to number 18. No good. Ball is falling, no foul. Number 1, behind the back.
Recovered.
Nakita si number 55, Limpag sa gilid. Side step. Nakita si Grate. Pero nakuha. Oy, grabe mga... Oy, nakuha ni Limpag pa
Ganda
rin.
naman ni Pensa.
Limpag,
And
nakita si
open.
number 18.
Oh!
Kapalakan.
Oh!
No good pa rin. Number 18. Nakuha pa rin ng bulan number 18.
Ganda na pinapakita ng
To
ating
Limpag,
Cats.
nag-iisa sa 3
Natin.
downtown. No good. Nako, malapitan na yun. Number
Intensity.
14 uses his body check.
Oh! An
Offensive
offensive!
foul.
Tinawagan ng offensive ko
Inabutan ng number 14.
Grabe.
We'll see sa
Uy.
replay.
Ibang intensity ng laro to ko eh.
Ayun.
Tumataas ang intensity ng larong ito ngayon, guys.
Oh.
Grabe. Uy. Kinsa man to. Uy, mukha talaga ang ganda.
Iba talaga ang ganda ng dinala ng MBCIT Cats.
Iba talaga yung ganda.
Iba talaga yung ganda ng cheerleaders ng MSUIT Cats.
Ganda na naka-block.
Siyempre. Mula sila yung pinakasikat doon silang mga eskwelahan ko. Dalagi din sila mga pinagwapa po ng mga cheerleaders.
Grabe ko eh. Ang ganda talaga naka-block kanina.
Yun, back to the ball game.
Kinig yung videographer sa intake ko. Oh, ganda naka-block ko.
Grabe, no? Kargado.
Uy, pero ganda kaya gwapo nga lula, gwapo. Walang bigayan talaga. Walang sayang na bola. Kinukuha. Dive in lahat ng mga buwan ng katawan.
Arduk. Ball out of bounds. Ayan. Number 10, nag-iisa. Counted. Arduk. Arduk to Limpag. Limpag to Grate sa ilalim. Grate, gibundak. Gituyok. Nastilan. Number 10 with a nice floater. 53-44 in favor of Keishan Granville, the biggest lead of the game.
1 minute.
At 9 points.
Another
Nakuha pa
turnover.
yun. Rallies his way to the middle. Counted. Hey! Alaka. What happened, MSU IoT Cats?
Nasira yung composer nila. May communication yung nangyayari.
Biggest lead of the game, 11 points.
nabawi ng Team Cats ang ball possession.
Ito na. Arnok. Limpag. Limpag. Limpag.
Oh.
No good. Sayang.
Magandang tira yun, Koy, ha?
Yes.
Ba't nila
Straight
pumasok?
on kayo. 15 seconds remaining. 14. 13.
Long bomb.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, hapit! Grabe kadelikado kamot nilang hot hands. Si Mr. Hatatouille.
And that ends our first half of the game. 55-54, lumalamang ang ating team, K-Shine Granville. So that ends our first half. And this time, Koy, pasok naman tayo for another set of 4J Active Wear halftime break challenge.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, so
Okay.
Koy, eto guys, so grabe, ang ganda ng ating intense game for that first set of the half of the game. Grabe, napakaganda pinapakita ng ating Team Cats at Team K-Shine Granville. And this time naman tayo guys, as we all know, balik tayo here on court para sa ating halftime break. And this time, hanap na naman kami ng dalawang maglalaro for this one to take home our 4J merchant. Sino magsamadula? Come on, give me one more. Dula. Come on, ali.
Oh, 1v1 na sad, 1v1. Kasi mga gahe mo dula diya.
Dua. Ali. Come on.
Hello, Iliganons! As we enjoy the game, let's remember to play fair, respect one another, and have fun. Daog or pildi, basketball is about teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. So good luck to everyone. Kini inyong Mayor, Freddy Xiao, ang pirming nga masaligan, masadigan, o masangpit sa tanan. Padayon, Ascenso, Iliganon.
Lala.
Uy, ang ganda ng
Ala ka.
pinapakita.
Lala.
Uy.
Seryoso,
Talaga,
seryoso.
up.
Lala.
Oy! Counted! Basket counted. So we have a winner. But Parape, thank you so much for playing. Okay, tatanggap ka ng consolation prize. Koy, please award our winner.
Yes, of course.
Kaya, kami. Okay, so congratulations our winner. Ayan. Pero may consolation po tayo. Ha? Thank you so much. Okay. Picture. That ends our one-on-one.
Yes. And of course, ay. Imong price.
Please, picture.
Ano naman tong dog?
Oh.
Grabe naman, kuhaon yung price. Jigo, nanawala. Jigo, sige na.
Winner.
Ay, congratulations na kay keyholder, paypay gikan sa 4J Sportswear, Active Sportswear, and of course, naapo kay mug and calendar gikan kay Mayor Freddy Xiao. Congratulations.
Picture. Okay, kuha ng prize. Okay.
Ang daming daghanag daog ay.
Usay inspiration si muhang sapatos karon. Unsay brand ano mo sapatos karon? Rosilas.
Wala ra.
Bao na puspas kay ka kay kuha na siya
Cars with cars.
Si Cars.
Oh,
Anyway,
okay.
shout out.
Panchautan gusto ko mama nasa balay wa ka balon ako dire.
Galaw.
Wala nang hid.
Alright. Alright, thank you so much for our winner for our
Okay.
one-on-one game. So now this time, balik tayo for our second set naman, our second half, Koy. So ano kayong expectation natin, Koy? Kasi kita na to ganina, nga grabe ang intensity sa Dula for the second quarter.
Hello, Iliganons! As we enjoy the game, let's remember to play fair, respect one another, and have fun. Daog or pildi, basketball is about teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. So good luck to everyone. Kini inyong Mayor, Freddy Xiao, ang pirmi nga masaligan, masadigan, o masangpit sa tanan. Padayon, Asenso, Iliganon. Hello, Iliganons! As we enjoy the game, let's remember to play fair, respect one another, and have fun. Daog or pildi, basketball is about teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. So good.
Alright, mamimigay kami ng 4J calendar.
Okay. Yun, oy, napakinay, napa. Unsa man ni? Notebook, no, kalendar gyapon. O, gwapo niyo. Wala,
Alright,
gwapo niyo yung kalendar. Wala, sorry sa may gwa. Gahi na ba na? Oh.
Tama ba?
Ayos.
Sa gustong box. Oh, wala na. Sorry. Sa gustong box. Oh, wala na. Alright, thank you so much, 4J. Palakpakan naman natin. We give a round of applause. Palakpakan natin, 4J Active Sportswear for that wonderful mga giveaways natin. So maraming salamat sa our
Yes. And-
owner, Mr. Japet Ongkes. Thank you so much.
And of course, yung owner sa
Yes.
sa calendar is Mayor Freddy Xiao.
Yes, maraming
Padayon
salamat.
Asenso Iliganon. Ngayon.
Alright, so back to the ball game tayo, Koy. Because I'm ready because it's
Game time!
Okay, let's go. Players on court. Simulan na natin ang ating second half. Grabe, napakaganda ng ating pinapakitang laro ng ating Team Cats versus Team K. Shine, Koy.
Excited na kitang matao. Sugdan na ako balik.
Alright, so change court na po tayo.
Nakila to number 10. No good. Oy, nice pass. Number 10 na naman. No good pa rin. Number 12. Nakita si Pulea. Pulea to number 12. Pump fakes. Jump shot. No good.
Good, malakas lang. Malakas lang, Koy. Kuha ng K-Shine, naghahanap ng open man. Setting up.
Nakita si Nakila.
Uy,
Nakila.
almost steal.
Uy! Nakuha. Nakila na naman. With the
Back, 2
calm.
points.
Took his time on the jumper. Counted.
Okay, so, okay. Ayan. Ayaw ka bala ka,
Yes,
kay
yes,
ang,
yes.
ang table, official time, gadagan din he.
Yes.
Nala interference, pero
Yes.
gadagan ang time din he. Ha?
Siguro sa signal interference lang sa scoreboard nato, pero ang atong time is gadagan gid siya. We are now currently at 9 minutes and 5 seconds sa atong third quarter. Yes.
Okay, so remaining time is 9:55.
We apologize for this technicalities mga kaibigan kasi kasi wireless na mga guys. No? Wireless na mga eh. So sa high may interfere ang atong signal.
Okay, shoutout muna tayo sa ating 180 viewers.
Snyder Tapdasan, shout out Coach Jong. Josh Suchata. I-chat ko para makita nimo akong chat. Grabe. Dili jud ka mustorya siya, ma'am.
Kuya, okay nga siya.
Mayang gabi, Mayor. By Miss Estrelita Roldan. Gakuan din sila di ay. Uy, shout out sa naka-blue. Shout out sa naka-gray. Shout out sa naka-brown. Uy, in town. Uy. Uy, in town. Yeah. Shout out Angela Suwan. Uy, shout out kay naka-white. Uy, shout out kay naka-black and naka-pink sa IIT corner. Ayun.
Busy kasi ate may tinatawagan.
Busy kay si ate naka-white sa IIT Dapit, oh.
Uy, ito naman si Lodi, oh.
Oh.
Guwapo. Uy. Alright, so technical time muna tayo guys. So technical liti muna tayo ha. But anyway, shout out sa ating mga live viewers dito sa ating gymnasium at Barangay Santiago Multipurpose Hall. Ayan, ang dami, dumadami pa rin tayo kahit gabing-gabi na. Dumarami pa rin yung mga live viewers natin dito. Marami
Yes,
sumusuporta.
200 na.
Oh,
Shout out Bardot. Shout out to Arvin. Shout out to Ambo Reyes. Shout out to Bernal SPC. Yes, don't forget to share our live stream as well.
shout out from Saguniang Kabataan o Barangay Santa Filomena.
Shout out kang Bunbun Kabilbil. Og Chuy Chuy Palyoso. Shout out Idol Roy Sanjaytero. Shout out to you.
Okay, shout out tuloy-tuloy po yung shout out natin. O pangalan. Basahan ko eh.
Pogi Rubio. Oy. Sorry, di ka ma-shout out. Nagbasa ng pangalan na eh.
Arabic name. Ayan, naka-Arabic
Ayan.
yung pangalan.
Shout out Ramil and Berting, boss. James. Good evening, Mayor Xiao. Shout out Mariane Verano.
Good evening, Mayor Xiao. According to Ma'am Mariani.
Shout out kang Prince Sardernas.
Okay, shout out tuloy-tuloy. Bri, shout out. Puro 4 del Carmen.
Shout out Papluy, Aldrin Vlog. Oy, Aldrin Vlog. Vlogger.
Anyway, again, we'll see Iligan, our
Hello,
live
Iliganons! As we enjoy the game, let's remember to play fair, respect one another, and have fun. Daog or pildi, basketball is about teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. So good luck to everyone. Kini inyong Mayor, Freddy Xiao, ang pirming nga masaligan, masadigan, o masangpit sa tanan. Padayon, Ascenso, Iliganon.
Shout out kong Jean OA. This time was brought to you by Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy. Basta si Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy Iligan, we can do it. And of course, to our league bearer, Mayor Freddy Xiao, Padayon Ascenso, Iliganon.
Sa init ng dula ko basig ibang uhaw mo ha, natay Amlan,
Amlan,
purified drinking
purified
water,
water.
natay Butiha entrance door. You can purchase any kind of drink
Yes.
bottles
Fresh and
para sa
cold,
inyong
just for you.
uhaw.
And of course, that was our rehydration partner. And of course, we also have our official merchandise, 4J Sports Activewear. Shout out to Diamit Legend, Gervin Rino Halili. Oy! Kailan mo, Bray. Kailan mo ni?
Ayan. Actually, kuha na sa IIT yan po ng varsity.
Ah, really?
Bro, Bray, congratulations. Shout out sa ating mga ka-legendary Diamet Department of Industrial Automation and Technology. Let's go.
Shout out sa babaeng na naka-pink diha sa Cats. Kiara Urungan. Ah,
Si Kiara, who's
Si
Kiara?
Kiara Urungan din na siya.
Kiara, ito siya.
Okay. Hi Kiara, shout out to you from a random follower of GBL.
Alright, so back to ball game po tayo. So na-resume tayo kasi may technicality issue tayo guys because again, we have a wireless connection with our game board. But don't worry ha, official po yung ating tablet natin guys for the time. Tumatakbo yan,
Yes.
accurate po sa lahat. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola ng ating K-Shine.
Ito na, number 10. Number 10 to Nakila. Nakila. Nakita si number 10 na naman with the
Nice
jumper. No good.
Lakas lang. Kuha ang bola ng ating team Cats.
Ramil. 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 Ramil, nakita si
Oy!
Gate.
Ganda!
Oy!
Oh, there's a foul.
Strong move. Which provoked Nakila. Which led him to take the foul.
Forcing the foul.
Guwapo itong ako na. Mind games, ano? Bigyan mo para makakag-foul. And si Nakila is grabe na siya gamit. If ma-foul trouble siya, it's gonna be a big trouble
Tequila,
for
second
Keisha Granville.
personal foul. Garate, second shoot. Basket counted. Pasok dalawang tira. 45-57 under 8:27 for the third quarter. Uy, long bomb.
Hey!
Ganda. Three.
The long bomber of
Three out
Keisha
of-
Granville. Hit at 20.
3 out of 5 yun.
Oy, na-steal ni Abadis. Abadis, nakita si Nakila, napalakan. Number 10. Grabe ni si number 10. Doing it
Congratulations.
all for Keisha Granville.
Hita Tuane. Hito Tuane.
Ramil for 3 with the response. No good.
Rebound by
Number
Hito Tuane.
10.
Double team si Hito Tuane. There's a whistle.
Okay.
Kung may Hachimura ang Lakers, may Hito Tuane naman ang ating K-Shine.
Yes. Mga lahing Japanese.
Shout out kay LeBron James. Ng
Ito na.
Lakers. Okay, let's go.
Hito
Hito
Tuane naman ito Nakila.
Uy!
Nakila,
almost
loose
a
ball.
steal.
Nakila sa
Naka-recover.
gilid.
Looking for
Nakita
man.
na steal.
Oh!
Nakuha balik ni Tatane Abadis. Abadis sa Tuane.
Hita Tuane for 3.
Bang!
Hita Tuane.
Hita Tuane for
3
3
points. 65-45. Lamang
Ramil.
na ng 20 points ang ating team K-Shine.
No
Lakas pa.
good. Nako naman, lumalaylay na yung team IIT Cats.
Importante biya jud ko yun nga kinahanglan mo tira ginato dapat mahimo sakto og plastar gyud pug no.
Correct.
Ayaw tirag out of frustrations
Yes.
kay sayang kayo mo ang kusog.
Sayang kayo
Guba ang composure. But anyway, umaabante na 22.
sometimes po ang players mutira under pressure.
Oh, lagi mo gani pod.
Look at this, look at this.
Bang! Ngayon, pasok ang puntos.
And yun, nag-reserve timeout ang coach sa IIT Cats. Nabalaka na siya kaya ang time na stretch na to 19 points. And tirahan pag Nakila. Grate. To Ramil. Ramil nagmamadali sa gitna. Binadihan si Abades. Nagpumunta sa ilalim.
Ooh,
Wow,
galing,
what a
ganda.
nice move. Circle shot by
Uy,
Ramil.
ganda na pinapakita ng ating Team Cats ha. So, tingnan natin baka momentum ba.
Murag naluya ang IIT Cats. Baka nawala ilang mga cheerleaders. Lakaw naman.
Klase pa ugma.
Eto na. Wow, nakita sa ilalim.
Open in 3. No
Ayun.
good.
Grabe ang initan sa ilalim. Maganda
Timeout.
ang pisikalan sa ilalim mga kaibigan.
And ngayon ko, tumawag na naman ng timeout ang ating Team Cats.
Yes.
Coach Jong will
Grabe.
set another set play for them.
Grabe
Talagang
ang
kuha lahat ng mga rebound.
body shot sa ilalim.
Pero konti lang yan, Koy. Kaya pang habulin. May mahaba pang oras. And napasa third quarter pa tayo. O balik na yung mga cheerleader ng MSUIT. Eto na.
O, dira na. Mukusog na balik ang Team IIT Cats kay namalik na ang ilang mga beautiful cheerleaders.
Shout out daw sa naka-orange.
Oh, tanawa pagpanghawa nila. Tanawa ang score. 19 points dito. Oh, nara, di ba?
Oo, diba?
So namalik ng mga cheerleaders sa Team IIT Cats. Tanawa to effective ba ang ilahang charm,
Charm.
and beauty. So ito
Rapil
na.
looking for a pass. Setting up the game.
Number 12. Boom. No good. Nakila with a big rebound. Abades. Nagmamadali si Abades. Abades with a teardrop. Counted. 21-point lead na.
71-50 in favor of Team K-Shine. Naghahabol ang ating
Ramil.
Team Cats.
Ramil guarded by Abades. To De La Vega.
Back.
Sa
3
gitna si
points.
number 12. Counted. Nakila. To Almorado. Oy.
Parang mismatch yun ko, di ba?
Grabe talaga, oh. Gikuha
Mismatch yung
gid nila bay. Gikuha gid nila ni si Kwan bay, hatatuan eh. Kay hot hands kayo.
Pero there's a mismatch ato kay dako kayo ang number 12.
Yeah.
Binabantayan ng small man. Nag-switch kasi sa defense.
Oy, tama. It's also part of the play.
Yes.
You have to appreciate the execution of the point guard.
And shout out kay former kagawad Tede Pahente.
By the way, napakita yung lost and found nga ID karon napadre sa mo ang table. Usman Mirontos. Makabangon, please claim your card.
Okay, now second throw, ready for rebound. Uy, nakalusot. Kuha ng
Big
Team
rebound by number
Cats.
14.
And now, tagnan natin makamomentum ba ang Team Cats. Ramil,
Ramil.
aggressive to basket. Uy!
Binalihan si Nakila.
Bang!
Counted.
Using the board. 2 points for Ramil. 4:47 remaining time. 72-54 ang talaan ng score. Uy!
Palo si Nakila.
And there's a whistle.
Ala.
Holding foul. Ay,
Ala. Offensive. Holding foul si Nakila. Halaka.
Bola.
Pila na kang personal foul si Nakila.
it is a turnover for
Ramil.
K-Shine.
To
Uy.
De La Vega.
Another
Number 12.
jumper.
Yun!
2 points na naman. Ordenisa. Uy, ang gandang depensa ginagawa ng ating Team Cats. Nabubuhay
Yun!
ang Team Cats.
Almorado
Uy!
nakalusot! Grabe. Appreciate the intensity of the cheerleader naman sa K-Shine Granville.
Talagang ang gandang cheerleader ng Team K-Shine. Lakas ng boses.
Yes.
Siraan ng vocal cord.
Grabe ang depensa,
Oh!
oh.
Gandang pasa! Pero
Grabe ang depensa.
nakuha ng ating Team Cats.
Ramil, Wakanais,
Oy!
Titiration, ganda ng pass
Oh!
ni La Vega. Counted!
The defense, sabi ng Team Cats, defense daw.
Ito na. Ito na.
58-72 under 4 minutes.
Uy! Ang ganda ng tight defense. Tight defense.
Nabubuhayan ang
Ito
Team
na.
Cats.
Almorado
Uy,
with a nice
let's
spin
go.
move. Almorado sa gitna.
Oh!
Nabuyan.
Ganda depensa.
Ito na.
Uy!
Nagmamahal
Pass
si
break,
Ramil.
Ramil.
Ramil pinasa.
Easy
Ay,
G!
Rebecca.
Oh!
Counted. O, diba? Mauro ng
Grabe
ingon.
ginagawa.
Mauro ng ingon, guys, nga pag mabalik ang mga cheerleaders sa IIT Cats, mabalik po ng kusog sa ilang mga players. So, IIT Cats cheerleaders, ayaw mo pang hawa. Oh, kaya naka-orange, oh.
Naka-orange.
Kaya naka-black, naka-green, naka-white. Ayaw gin mo pang hawa, kaya para dili mo inat ang labaw. Shout out sa inyo, Haria, mga beautiful ladies.
Ganda ng ginawa ng Team Cats at saka
Ang
ganda,
ganda ng cheerleaders. Mao ginang ingon, di ba? Pag panghawa nila, 20 dito ang lamang. Pagbalik nila, down to 12. Okay, tanawon tag.
Shout out.
Mapadayon ba? Sa MSU IIT Cats ang ilang pag-trail
And
sa ating ball game.
And that time out is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wick Wick Uy. Iligan, we can do it.
Wala naman ling kabalik ni Silimpag.
Yes.
Asa naman si
Ready for
Limpag.
rebound tayo. Ready for rebound. Tignan natin kung makomplete yung 3-point play ng ginagawa ng ating Akasio. Ayan, kasi foul counted yun. Uy, wala, sayang. But anyway, it's a good.
No good.
Baba sa 12 points ang lamang ng Team K-Shine. Kayang habulin with 3:39.
Tumira, no good. Halaka. Diri na, Ramil ang mamadali.
Uy, spin move!
Spin move and a jumper, no good.
Uy!
Big rebound by De La Vega. De La Vega pinasa kay number 12. Ordinisa, no good. Almorado to number 14.
Oh!
Half it out. Nakita. Si number 9
Umahanap
to
ng
number
open money.
27. Sa hot hands.
Ball!
Bang! Dili yun angay biyaan.
Basket counted, but foul ni number 27.
Dili yun angay biyaan. Si Huita Tuane.
Basket counted yun.
Grabe kamot ng mata.
Counted. Back to
Ito
the ball
na.
game. Ramil na naman, na
Ramil.
aggressive. Setting up.
Uy! Napalakan. Ball out of bounds. Diri na.
Almost a turnover. Pero tingnan natin kung consistent ang depensa ginagawa ng ating Team Cats para mahabol ang lamang na 15.
Number 27 ni Toyok, ni Itza, no good. Pinasa kay number 2. Counted.
Damn!
Ginamit ang board. Ito na. Number 13. Abades to number 27.
Jumper.
No good. Oy! Scramble yung bola. Oy! Nakuha.
Naiwanan ng
Number
bola.
12.
3
Number
against 1.
Number 38.
Ramil!
No
Oh!
good.
Sayang na
Ayay.
possession yun.
Hoy! Number 27, man to man, ang laking mama. Oh! Nako.
It's a good foul. Yan. Substitution. Sayang yung 3-1, no? Pinsa ba? Sana, ano lang yun. Advantage sana yun.
Hoy, no good ang first throw. Second throw counted. The lead is now 14 points in favor of K-Shine Granville.
Sideline. No good. Oy.
Ay, no good.
There's no foul. Ayan. Di tinawagan ng foul. Tuloy ang laro. 62-76 under 1 minute and 27 at the third quarter. In the third quarter. Uy, gandang pick yun, ha?
Number 27, nakawala. No good. Abades, teardrops, counted.
Bam!
Counted by Ramil.
Counted. Talagang aggressive si Ramil ngayon, guys. Hot hands. Let's find out if makuha ang 3-point play. Ramil in the line. Ready for rebound. Basket counted. Complete yung 3-point play na yon.
Grabe yung mga cheerleaders natin, guys. Lumalaban. Abades. Pinasa sa ilalim ni number 14. No good. Big rebound by malaking mama. Gibundak ang gibalihan. Napalakan.
Uy!
Hala. Oy, traveling ang inabot
Ganda.
ni number 27.
Ganda talaga ng cheerleaders.
44 seconds remaining sa third quarter.
Let's go. De La Vega. Side corner.
40 seconds. Hoy, napandol. Sa ilalim.
Ramil na naman!
35 seconds.
Ganda. 67.
30 seconds remaining. 25 seconds.
24.
20 seconds.
9 to shoot.
5 to shoot. Hey.
Last ball of the session ng Team Cats.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2.
Pasok. Ganda ng pinapakita ng ating Team Cats versus Team K-Shine, guys. Eto na tayo, talaan ng score. 80-67 lamang ang ating Team K-Shine Granville. Pero talagang intense na game na yun, guys. Hindi sayang yung bola. Everybody gets the ball possession talaga. So we will be finding out kung anong gagawin ng ating Team MSY Cats para mahabol ang kalamangan ng Team K-Shine Granville. So once again, this quarter, end of the third quarter is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wek Wek Uy. And once again, maraming salamat sa ating league bearer, our Honorable City Mayor, Frederick W. Shao. Padayon Ascenso, Ili Ganon. And shout out po na tayo sa ating 258 viewers natin on live. So naka-live po tayo sa ating Facebook page ni Mayor. Just search Freddy Shao na Facebook page niya or Facebook niya. So shout out Josh, 3 JP, Josh DK, PM. Shout out Samuel Bao Edsuma, 5K, K-Shine ko. Uy, online manininga ko na eh. Anyway, Michelle May Fajardo Pasco, good Kian buddies. Shout out to Skies Deltea Dinis, Goya Kian buddies. So ayun, cheer talaga yung ating mga fans, na mga GBL fans natin from MSY IT Cats. And that would be our third quarter po tayo. So atong tag-awon, sino kaya ang mananalo? Because again, we have still last quarter, 10 minutes, mahaba pang oras. But let's find out anong game plan ang gagawin ng ating Team MSY IT Cats para mahabol ang kalamangan ng ating K-Shine. Okay? Back to the ball game. Game time po tayo for the fourth quarter. Eto na. Fourth quarter po tayo. Limpag. Ramil. Uy, so strong. Oh. And ball possession pa rin ng ating Team Cats. 80-67 po yung talaan ng score natin, guys, ha? Open man. Tumira ng 3. Pumukol, no good. It's a rebound for K-Shine. Number 3, looking for a pass, dribbling the ball. Dinakdakan ang sentro. Number 12, oop. There's a foul. Number 55. First team foul po tayo for the fourth quarter for Team Cats. Okay, inbound po tayo. Looking for an open man. Tingnan natin sino makakuha. Oh, ganda ng cut nyon. But nakuha ang puntos. Now, Ramil Alimpag, dribbling the ball. Paring open sa 3. Ramil aggressive. 2 ang depensa na iwanan. And 2 points for Ramil. 69-82. 10 to shoot. Oy! Naiwanan. No good. It's a rebound for Team Cats. Aggressive attacking the basket. Limpag. Uy, gandang pasa. Alley-oop sana no layup. Recovered. Ramil na naman. Good defense by K-Shine. Limpag looking for open man. Uy, nagdadawang isip. Uy, gandang pasa. Oop, short lang. Sayang yun. Ganda pa naman ang mga pasa. Hitatwane, number 14. Pass to the corner, number 3. Posting up, attacking the basket. 2 points for K-Shine. Limpag, looking for an open man. Side corner, tila na po na 3. Bang! 3 points. Paring. 84-72, under 8 minutes. There's a foul. Unden, another foul for Unden. Second second team foul. 14 shot clock for Team K-Shine. Looking for an open man. Higpit ang depensa. Oop! Naiwanan. Balik. Oh, there's a foul. Natawagan pa ng foul pahuli. So, again, under 7 minutes po tayo and 50 seconds. 84-72 lamang pa rin ang ating Team K-Shine. IIT, third foul. First throw, basket counted. Okay, converted yung second throw. 84-72. 86-72. Under 7:50 for the last quarter. Ramil na naman, attacking the basket. Aggressive. No good. It's a clean block. 3 against 1 defense. Paring. Okay, pasok yung basket for K-Shine. Reserve substitution. Sideline for 3 points. Bang! 3 points for Team Cats. Pasok na naman, walang depensa. Nalulusat na ng depensa ang Team Cats. 84-72. Ano na yan? 6 minutes and 52. 86-72. And there's a whistle na naman tayo, guys. Substitution. Substitution. Oh guys, ayaw magabalaka ha, kaya ang official time na to, ang table na ratay accurate rin. Dili lang yun mag-coincide ang kanang LED wall na to or kanang atong board. Kay na-interference, kay Wi-Fi connected na siya or Bluetooth. Okay, referee, time out muna tayo. So this time out is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wikwek Uy, Iligan. We can do it. Shout out kay Hinapay 2026 by Ronnie Abihar and Joanna Abihar. Cyrus Kidlat, shout out kong Jamil Onga Raupan. Al Ryan, kay Jamil Onga Raupan, gahapon na pre. Gahapon pre. Okay, shout out po tayo guys. Anyway, so talaan ang score po natin ha. We will double check po natin yung scoring po natin. So maraming salamat again sa mga manonood natin here on our live viewers natin mga ka-JBL sa ating talaang, sa aming gymnasium. So to inform everybody, no, ang yung schedule po natin for you to inform para masuportahan po natin yung mga favorite JBL teams natin. So na po sa post yung schedule sa Game Time Basketball League. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-follow sa ating Facebook page, please search the Game Time Game, then TYM. Ayan, Game Time Basketball League Season 1. Nandun po lahat ng mga information, highlights, and information about the players and team na maglalaro in this Season 1 po natin. And the schedule, the most exciting one is we are going to have the home court play. So bibisitahin natin yung mga home court gymnasium sa mga per team kung saan sila barangay representing barangay. Okay? So mamaya po yan or by next month po yan. Ha? So anyway, please check out our schedule sa ating Game Time Basketball League for you to update all the schedule po sa ating laro. That will be on every Mondays and every Thursday. So twice a week po yan ang laruan po natin. So yung standing, we will update pagkatapos ng week na to. So para makita natin sino yung mga leading teams for the fourth game for the season. Alright, sa time out break muna tayo guys. Shoutout muna tayo tuloy-tuloy sa ating mga shoutouts, sa ating mga 213,000 viewers natin guys. So, we have Ruchi Nakila. Go K-Shine, go number 12. Jobert Imborong, shout out kay Mark Anthony Abarca Mosqueda. Okay, shout out kay Miat Claire Avila. Pa-shout out kong Almorado Lodi Cakes. Okay, Alria naman tayo. Pa-shout out ko kay JH, kay John Mahinay. We have also here our ka-JBL Mike Ryan S. Apaw. Shout out kay Fiakapa Kobe. We have from Jamil Onga Raupan. Okay, Miat Claire Avila, grabe ka supportive. Ayan, talagang grabe. Thank you so much sa ating mga live viewers natin guys. So we are not here just sa Iligan, but we are live national and international. And we are so global. Maraming salamat our site tech team natin who make this possible na makita all over the world yung laruan natin for this first ever Game Time Basketball League, the Mayor Freddy Rexao Cup for the year 2026. So talagang magandang yung impression na nagawa natin because again, this will be a avenue to showcase all our talents ng mga Iliganon basketball players na makita sa mga national and international stage. So thank you so much. Shout out, we have here Lynn Dion Limosnero. Shout out kay JMF7 Printing Services. And we have also here Dylan Altamero Mangundato. Shout out kay Dylan po. Okay, JP Santander Colita. Shout out Jepoy Ubaldolaya. Virgilio Azarcon Jr. Sabi niya, shout out Tambakan Purok 9, Iligan City. And dito naman tayo mga ka-JBL na si Jimwell Daog. Shout out po po ni Dondon. And we have ka-JBL Ana Sheila Relucio Orongan. Shout out kay Coach Mark Orongan. JP naman tayo. According to this, shout out JC by Ubaldolaya, from Ubaldolaya. Okay, so we have Nissan Chavez. Shout out kong Bakarat Jomar o Cyrus Kidlat. Ambus Reyes. Shout out sa assistant coach sa K-Shine Dol. Alright, so medyo na-down yung ating system for the tablet, guys. So we will be having our okay, so shout out muna tayo guys. So maraming salamat sa ating mga viewers natin guys ha, sa nanonood sa ating live viewers. Maraming salamat. Please don't ever forget to like the Facebook page or Facebook of Mayor Freddy Xiao and visit the Game Time Basketball League Season 1 na Facebook page. Dudski Palapas, shout out Dol. Okay, shout out sa iyo ka GBL Dudski Palapas. We have also here Windy Dugnoy. Shout out kay Mark Anthony Abarca Mosqueda nga ni absent sa trabaho. Shout out din kay Mark Anthony Abarca Mosqueda ni absent sa trabaho. May problema kaya naman. I love this game. So Pat Tamorong, shout out kay Kenneth Polistico. We have again JP sa Colita. We have shout out boss Alex Lardo. And we have also Rupert E. Maceda III. Okay, shout out Melvin Maceda, coach sa K-Shine. Jay Peñano, shout out Kian Abadis. Okay, Batol Samuel, shout out Mega Clarence og sa to. Shout out okay, shout out. Dumadami yung shout out natin. Shout out si Agaw. Anyway, Flexton, shout out kay Anton, shout out kay Jeric Perihirino. Sir, pa shout out kay Jesse Bartolo, hangover pa na. Modi ay. Okay, JR Peñano, Luzon. Okay, shout out sa ating mga kasama natin, mga ka-GBL from Luzon. Happy viewing. Rainier Lianes, Gaya Anaoy, napay-klase yung sorry guys, technical tayo issue guys. Nissan Chavez, shout out kong Libet o Clarence Diha. Okay, we have Goy Pakulba, shout out sa iyo. Abus Preyes, Focus Dol, sa camera sa assistant coach sa K-Shine. Mike Ryan Apaw, shout out kay Gionet Akoa. Shout out sa akong Katagay, karon. So we have shout out kay Katagay, shout out kay Bebe ng Iligan, RJ Gungob, Jason Villamor, boss, shout out ko sa Almorado, boss. Wa pami na human inom diri sa balay. Ayan. O happy shotting tayo dyan. Alrian, pa-shout out ko kay James Kundiman, pinakabagtik sa Bayug Island. Okay, we have Niven Eniero, shout out kay Idol J. Marie, Teams K-Shine, Team K-Shine. Mike Ryan naman tayo, apaw, shout out kay Gioni Akoha. Shout out kay Judeline Shari, Pakulba by Pat Tumarong. Okay, maraming salamat. Shout out sa lahat ng mga viewers natin, ha? Okay, let's go. Okay, we will turn on the game time and kung kay na-out good guys. Di na kinaya ng ating technical board. So shout out kay Ramil by Joe Rabon, Prince Palahang Sadiran. Pa-shout out ko kay Mamern. Boss, pa-shout out ko kay Almarado, wapamin ho manog inom diri by Jason Villamor. JR Peñano, Nanay Lolit, Tatay Roger, shout out apo niya sa Kian Abadis. Na si Kian Abadis. RJ Gungo, shout out sa announce. Ayan, shout out boss. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much, RJ Gungob. Happy viewing po tayo dyan, guys, ha? Okay. We are having a technicality kasi talagang turn down yung ating scoreboard. So, Jamil Ongaraupan, Mayat Claire, Kaswerte ba? Uy, Aldrin Vlog. Shout out, Aldrin Vlog. Sugdi na. Sorry, Boss Aldrin, may technical po tayo, ha? Shout out kay Kian Abadis, taga Quezon, mag-inom pamikaron. Alright, so we have our backup timer from our Team SBP. Okay, balik tayo sa ball game. Talaan ang score, 90-75 under 4 minutes. So wala muna tayong game time sa ating screen, guys, ha? But I will announce the time to time. Remaining time, 7 minutes. 7:02 to be exact. Last quarter naman tayo. Balik to the ball game po tayo. Alright, eto na. Uy! Hitutuwanin na naman for 2. Okay, missed. Okay, so an offensive rebound for Team K-Shine. Number 14, attacking basket. Easy 2. Okay, score 92-75. Remaining time, 6:42. Oh, out of bounds. It's a turnover na naman for Team Cats. Talaan ang score, 92-75. And now, eto. Hitatwane, posting up. Balik kay number 3 naman. Posting up. Hanap na looking man for the shoot. Attacking the basket. Pasa, it's a steal. Limpag. Grate to Ardeniza. Number 12, open for layup. 2 points. 92-77. Ang talaan ng score, 92-77 in favor of Cape Shine. Remaining time is 6 minutes, 6:03 for the fourth quarter po tayo. Let's go. Depensa Kalimpag. Dribbling the ball, number 3, attacking the basket, almost a steal. Talagang na-steal, turnover for Cape Shine. Limpag. Posting up, Grate. Looking for an open man. And then, step back, 2 points. 79-92. Humahabol. Under 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Marami pang oras. Marami pang kayang gawin sa 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Eto na. 10 to shoot clock. Shot clock. Hitatwane. Forcing. Pero mahigpit yung depensa. 5, 4. Oh, wala na. Ayan. Wala na. Shot clock violation tayo. Shot clock violation. 92-79, under 5 minutes and 18. Marami pa, kaya pang habulin yan. Limpang na naman. Oop, almost a 3 but no good. Rebound by K-Shine. Ten seconds shot clock. Number 14, speed move. No good. Limpag. Looking for open man. Driving the basket. Speed move. Gandang tira. No good. And it's a loose ball. So, bula ng K-Shine. Talaan ng score, 92-79. Under 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Hitatwane dribbling the ball, posting up, looking for an open man, getting the screen. Hitatwane attacking the basket aggressively. Pasa sa kilid, number 14. Uy, nakuha na ng bola. 1-on-1. Nice step back. No good. Limpag. Okay, nice recovery. 2 points for Limpag. 81-92. Uy, gamay na lang. Konti na lang. Oh, it's a turnover. Ito na kaya ang momentum hinahanap ng ating team Cats. Timeout, Team K-Shine. Score, 92. This timeout is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wick Uy. Iligan, we can do it. Uy, 4 minutes na lang mga ka-JBL ang oras na natitira. Mahaba pa yan. 92-81. So lamang lang tayo ng 11 points. Ayan. Kayang habulin niya. So let's go. Tingnan natin kung makapag-recover or makapag-comeback ang ating K-Shine. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo for the last quarter. Remaining time, 4 minutes, 4:05 in the fourth quarter. 92-81. Okay, inbound. Looking for open man. Limpag na naman for open three. No good. 3-on-2. Oh! Sinamahan ng foul ang depensa. Okay, that will be a line. So tingnan natin kung ma-convert yung 3-point play ng ating number 10. Basket counted. Complete yung 3-point game natin. 95-81. 30 minutes and 48 seconds for the fourth quarter. Limpag. Uy, gandang pasa yun ha. Easy two by Grote. Talagang dapat strong defense ang gagawin ng Team Cats. Dapat manning na para hindi kalas ng oras kasi pinapatay ng oras ang K-Shine. Kasi lamang na lamang ang K-Shine but marami pang oras. 95-83. 10 to shoot under 3 minutes and 26. Forcing. No good. Lakas lang. Uy. Goes in rebound. No good pa rin. Limpag. Ordiniza. Open three. No good. Uy. And there's a foul. Substitution. 3 minutes, 8 seconds remaining. 95-83 ang talaan ng score. Shout out Steve Vitumamak, Jordan. Shout out from US. Unaha sa Akmak. Traveling violation. Grate. Uy. 3-on-2. Easy twos. OMG. Baba sa 10 ang lamang ng K-Shine. Eto na. Under 2 minutes and 35. 10 points na lang lamang. No good pa rin. Eto na. OMG. Grate. Oy. Phew. Sinayangan ang bola. Turnover for Team Cats. Tingnan natin kung makapagpuntos ang Team K-Shine. Baba sa 10. Oh! It's a steal! Ah! Baba sa single digit ang lamang ng K-Shine. Umiinit, gumaganda ang laro. Under 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 95-87. Baba sa 8 points ang lamang ng K-Shine. Defense ang ginagawa ng ating Team Cats. But tingnan natin, makabawi ang ating K-Shine. Attacking the basket number 3. Oh, it's a steal na naman! Woo! Eto, looking for a pass, Grate. Number 3, speed move. Oh, it's a steal. Nakuha, sayang. Easy 2, basket counted. Balik sa 10 ang lamang. Under 1 minute and 43 seconds. Oh, no good. Time out. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, ito. Time out. Tawag ng timeout ang Team Cats. Grabe, sayang. Baba na sana sa 8 points ang lamang. Pero nakapuntos ang K-Shine, nakabawi. Ganda pinapakita ang Team Cats. Ito, tignan natin, mahaba pa yung oras, 1:25, marami pang ball possession. Pero dapat higpitan na ng Team Cats ang depensa kasi wala ng oras if lalamang pa ng 12 points. Score, 97-87, 10 lang yun lamang. Uy, nagbe-vape si ate Orange Girl. Shout out sa mga cheerleader. Oh, ito, 1:24, Limpag. Grate, almost a steal. Paring for 3. Bang! Bang, bang! 3 points for Paring. Baba sa 7 points ang lamang ng K-Shine. Hinahabol or nahahabol na ng ating Team Cats. 1 minute to 7. Uy. Foul, number 55. Okay, in the line. All right, so let's go. 7 points po lamang ha. So now in the line, number 14 for the first throw. It is a miss. Ready for rebound. Second throw po tayo. Pakulba in the line. Huwag gini kulba dapat. Kaya importante, every point counts. Pakulba. Second throw. Basket counted. 98-90. Balik sa 8 points ang lamang. Ramil. Dribbling the ball. Grate! Uy, there's a foul. So, dapat importante makuha ni Grate ang 2 puntos. Does it miss? Uy, what? Pakulba, 4th foul. Warning for graduate. Grate, take time, first throw. Ooh, miss. 98-90. Lamang pa rin ang end points. Second throw for Grate, ready for rebound. No good. Uy, offensive rebound. Para nakuha. Open. Basket counted. Wala nakabalik ang Team Cats. Ramil. Last 46 seconds. No good. No good pa rin. Offensive rebound. Last 34 seconds. 190. Balik sa 10 ang lamang. Hinanawa. Ayan. Foul by Hitatuane. Hitatuane foul by 12. Sayang. Sayang na momentum ang nagawa ng Team Cats. Pero ito na. Seal the deal na tayo for this points. Mapasok yung 2 free throw na to. No good. Ready for rebound. Hitatuane for a second throw. Basket counted, 101-90. Last 24 seconds. Basket counted, 92-101. All right, that's the score. The end of regulation, time's up, and that ends our second game for our 4th day of our Game Time Basketball League Season 1. K-Shine 103, Memes YIT Cats 92. Winner, K-Shine Granville. Alright, so this is back Master G guys. Kasama natin ngayon ang ating Team SBP. Maraming salamat sa Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. Our official BAP natin or referee. And maraming salamat to our winners and team players and coaches and families and friends. Okay, let's have a photo. Picture tayo. Huddle muna tayo. After the huddle, picture muna tayo. Alright, so thank you so much ating mga live viewers natin. 181,000 viewers sa ating Facebook page. So maraming salamat. So we have Jay Apenenyo. Kian, ishot muna. Kian, ayaw na pamasa lagi. Okay, Richie, kapanti kayo. Kay Labaw, nawala na ang depensa. Okay, Cyrus, Danoy. Okay, anyway, thank you so much guys. So that ends our game for our 4th day of our Game Time Basketball League. Okay, picture tayo, Team Cats. Alright, palakpakan natin. Thank you so much, Team Cats. It's a good play. It's a nice play. Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen, our MSU IIT Cats. Napakagandang laro ay na pinapakita. Kahit talo tayo tonight, but don't worry, ang ganda talaga ng ating pinapakita. So guys, that ends our second game for this fourth day of our Game Time Basketball League. And kasama natin ngayon ang ating winner, the K-Shine. We'll have our group photo. Pero eto yung maganda guys, talagang kitang-kita naman natin kahit i-review pa natin sa video na talagang both of the teams talagang walang sayang na bola because again, they every lost ball possession ng mga bola kinukuha talaga guys. So anyway, the team almost got the win for the Team Cats pero hindi talaga nahabol at the end of the last minute of our game ngayong pangalawang game na to. So anyway, congratulations sa ating K-Shine for another win for their teams. So congratulations sa mga owners nila. So shoutouts sa ating mga viewers and mamaya i-interview natin at i-announce natin ang ating game time, our King Belmonte. Ayan, our King Belmonte, 5 players, and our Derek Xiao, player of the game. So, congratulations, Team K-Shine. Eto guys, yung team natin, no? Alright, palakpakan natin K-Shine. And to announce, okay, ito. Okay, 2-0, palakpakan natin. So now to announce the player of the game. Congratulations, our Derek Xiao, player of the game. Congratulations, number 10, Hita Tuwane! 30 points and 12 rebounds, sir. Congratulations, dito po tayo. Sir, please join tayo dito tayo, sir. Ayan. Sir, okay, please go to the microphone, sir. Congratulations. Maraming salamat. Grabe, pinapakita na game mo ngayon tonight. You gained 30 points and 12 rebounds. What's your motivation in going here sa larong ito?
Una, nagpasalamat ko sa Ginoo sa gihatag nga protection sa akong
Amen.
dula. Dili lang para sa kuha, kundi para po sa akong teammate o sa among opponents. Akong motivation is, una, akong pamilya, nga naglantaw karon sa live, naglantaw sila, o ang akong uyab. So, mo to.
So, by the way, Hita Tuwane, nakita na to kanina, kita natin kanina na talagang very intense yung laro ninyo. So, what are the certain adjustments na ginagawa ng coaching staff ninyo to take home the win tonight?
Kuha lang, mag-communicate lang may permis sa akong kauban, i-rotate lang ang bola kay labi na nga ga-adjust sila silang depensa, gaman-to-man sila. From 2-3 to man-to-man, amo lang gibuhat is rotate ang bola, then pasa sa open man. Kung open, tira, then create a rebound.
And that's the secret of your winning piece for tonight. So now, having the lead of 2-0 standing, how does it feel na lamang kayo for the other team?
Siyempre, malipayon may kay naka 2-0 may tsada mong starting sa dula. And of course, wala pa naman ang dula. Dagan pa kusog na team. Napami umabot nga dula. Practice lang din may and siyempre, yan po namong masecure na mo ang second round o makapataan pa may paingon sa finals.
And lastly, before anything else, magandang nilalaro ng ating opponent natin, Team Cats. Ano yung masasabi no sa experience nyo against Team Cats, MSU IT Cats?
Siyempre, labi na sa Intercollegiate, there is Elegance, lamang nag-champion sa Frederick Mayor Xiao Intercollegiate. Good game sila, tsada lang gipakita gyapon. Labi na nga, uban nila kauban, nagdula sa NBTC Regional
yes.
Finals.
True.
So, daw gyapon nga opportunity para sa mga makontra sila.
Talagang nasa-challenge kayo when it comes to competing elite team. No? So anyway, ngayon, shoutout muna tayo. Kasi gusto niyo shoutout.
Shoutout sa akong pamilya da nga naglantaw, sa akong mga amigo nga labi na ang kuan IMCC Rhinos. Kung nalantaw man sila pero siguro gainom talito. Og sa akong mga amigo sa Initaw, shoutout sa inyo sa akong pamilya, sa akong uyab o pamilya sa akong uyab nga naglantaw gyapon nga ron.
And ikaw po itatanggap, congratulations sa kaysa you are our player of the game. Itatanggap po kayo ng 4J. Ayan, merch. Galing po yan kay 4J Active Sportswear. And thank you so much. Shout out to Sir Japet. Okay, congratulations sir. Picture tayo here. Ayan, representing 4J Active Sports. Player of the game. Dito tayo. Tunga ka sir, tunga ka. Ayan, tunga. Let's go. Mr. Hito Tuwane, please enjoy your prize and good luck po sa next game po ninyo, okay? So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, our ayan, our City Councilor Derek Xiao, player of the game. So yun po ang kanilang winning piece na ginawa na team play kasi alam naman natin, as we all know, kitang-kita kahit review natin sa video na talagang maganda pinapakita ng both teams, both the team MSYT Cats and Team K-Shine, talagang walang bigayan, both offense and defense. But again, in a game is a game, merong panalo, may natatalo. But again, looking forward tayo for another game for MSYT Cats to look forward with the first game kasi yung standing nila 0-2. But for the K-Shine, commanding lead for 2. Winning streak po sila for 2-0. So mahaba pa yung season natin. Again, watch out for the schedule for the Game Time Basketball League sa kanilang ating Facebook page. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-follow, follow na po kayo sa Game Time Basketball League Season 1. And this is your Mike Master G, Jervin Rino Dalangin Halili, your sports correspondent, saying God bless everyone. Dalayan ko na Diyos. See you next time. It's game time!